Thank you, Toastmaster Rishi, for the introduction. Why do we fear? Let me put it in another way. Do we fear from our spouses? Only three. Great.
We are scared to even comment.
That's also great. Yeah. So today I'm not talking about big stuff like a lion, a lion, deer fears from lion, snake fears from eagle, but I am, going to speak a bigger and scarier thing, marriage. Yeah, you heard it right, marriage. It's about two people when they get married, Honey and Lovely Singh. So they take some serious vows at the start of the marriage. They say that they promise to each other, we love, cherish, and listen to each other. Sounds beautiful, right? At the first year of marriage, both of husband is speaking more, wife is listening. She is saying, I can do everything, whatever you will say, and anything. Husband will say, yes, honey, thank you. Everything and anything I can also do. The honeymoon phase. Time passes, things started to change. Honey is still sweet, but she is speaking more. And Lovely is, of course, slightly decrease his speaking pace and he is speaking little less. Third year comes in, wherein neighbor is also aware about what is happening at their home because they are shouting at every corner of their house like it is live webcast. And they know that wife is saying, Suresh, you have not cleaned the bed. Why you have left that towel on the bed? And then Lovely say, yes, ma'am, I will do it right away. The fourth year comes in wherein he become a yes man. Now he is a person that is so trained that he is going to wear a collar around his neck and is on leash. The wife says, have you cleaned the bed? Yes, I am doing that. Have you feed the dog? Yes, I am going to do it. Have you cleaned the dishes? Yes, I am just going and in 5 minutes I will quickly do it. So being a father of a daughter, I also feel like, I also admire the person the fourth year the husband has become. Because I also want my daughter say jump and he says, honey, how high? That's kind of husband I would like for my wife. But jokes apart, things have been changed so much. And why does it happen so? Because both of them have, somewhere lost their pace of connecting with each other. Moving forward, let me share one incident for both of these people. One day, Lovely Singh was watering the plant and his wife called him up. Lovely, I have seen something on your phone. Can you quickly come in and give me an explanation? What is it? Now Lovely Singh is sweating with red face. What she has seen? Is it my photo with Natasha that I clicked last week? Or is it a meme which I have clicked mistakenly? Or what else? He was, deep down in this thinking and he again heard the voice of his wife. Honey, I called you up. Why are you not here? Jana, I'm coming. I'm just, finishing this, watering the plant and I will be in a minute. Imagine, for next 8 hours he was sitting and planting, watering those plants. And, these wives are very kind. She waited for 8 hours to, roast him. And again, one more incident in the same situation. Again, one day he was again watering the plants. He was sitting there and looking at the plants. Again, his wife called him up. Lovely, what did you did today at work? What you have for the lunch? And at that time he didn't reply. He was mumbling. He was mumbling inside his heart. He was not aware, but he was a little louder. He was saying, this mental piece of crap, my life has become hell. She is not listening to me. And it's so pathetic. And it was a bad luck. Since he was considering that he was just mumbling, but he was louder. So his wife said again, what did you just said? And he was again looking. No, honey, I have not said anything. I was just trying to, thinking about you, that you are so beautiful. You are doing so much hard work. You are preparing food. You are, sending kids to school and so on. She said, no, you have said something else. But you know why she said so? She was aware, she has listened at the first time itself that Lovely has said these things, and she has given a chance again to correct himself. So you can see that wives are so kind, they give a chance to their husband to correct themselves. The thing is, why we fear when I say that, because we all fear somewhere with our wives or our husbands. The reason behind we are not creating or maintaining that wavelength with them. And why I share this story with you of fear, because somewhere we all have faces these kind of things, and I am here to give you 5 solutions that if you abide by, will be able to say yes and will able to live a happy life. Number 1, be honest. Share everything with your partner. Don't indulge in the things like Natasha. Don't click these photos with Natasha. Probably that will shave your relation. Number 3, be open and involve your partners in your decision, because it is always better to have 2 minds. Whenever you have to take a decision, what to eat, what to prepare for dinner. What else? Whenever you are fighting, be at a private place. Do not tell your neighbors that you are fighting. Do not broadcast it. And finally, spend time together. Right? So finally, the Nara is, भैया हेलो कहना है और यस मैडम से रहना है. Thank you so much.